Hi there, students.
Hello.
Okay, I had a question about how to use the verb occur. So to occur is a regular verb. It means to happen, to take place, to transpire. So the accident occurred yesterday at 4 o'clock. So when did it occur?
Well, it actually occurred yesterday.
It actually occurred yesterday. So notice, something occurs. It's intransitive. It doesn't take a direct object. The thing occurs. An event occurs.
What happened? What occurred to you yesterday?
What occurred to me yesterday? Well, I was walking down the street and I lost my keys. A very nasty occurrence.
And does that occur very often?
Yes, because I'm a very, very disorganised person.
Yeah, actually me too. It occurs to me pretty often as well.
Okay, so let's try another meaning of occur as well. This one's less common. To occur meaning to exist, or something that you find in a certain place or in a certain circumstances. So, for example, this type of rock formation occurs around here. Okay, so something that naturally exists. Radon gas occurs in granite. It comes from, is present in. This type of plant occurs round here. Okay? These animals occur only in a special part of Africa. Okay, so to occur. My videos occur in YouTube. Okay, it's where they're found. Yeah. Okay. And one more meaning as well. To come to mind. It occurred to me that this is a good idea. Do any examples occur to you?
It occurs to me that maybe later we could go for a coffee.
Yeah, it occurs to me that that's a good idea. So when something springs to mind, comes to your mind, then it occurs to you. It occurred to him that he needed to go on holiday, so he went on holiday. Okay, so something occurs to a person when it springs to mind. It's a different meaning from the happen or take place. Okay?
Do any ideas occur to you about my project?
Yes, it occurred to me that you should write it again because it's not very clear. Or what will occur, will take place, will happen, is that your teacher will fail you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. That could occur.
That type of thing occurs when teachers are bad-tempered or can't read the word. Okay?
Okay.
So, to occur. Intransitive verb, something occurs. To make it transitive or to use an object, something occurs to somebody. Yeah? Something occurs in a place or something occurs to a person. Okay? So anyway, enough. Any more ideas occur to you?
Well, it occurs to me that if they enjoy the video, they can give us a rating.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.